What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Here's a quick little video to show you what happens to your off-Centerforce clutch after some miles. Looks nice in the package, but yeah, you got the stock clutch disc. It's already got worn out springs. Yes, that's from the Centerforce kit. And then we got this stock pressure plate that's painted orange, and they added these funky looking weight things, and you can see how it's off center. That's why I call it off Centerforce. Eventually, I've seen a few of these things break and come apart and mangle up all kinds of stuff up inside the transmission. It's got some wear. See that? It's from little fingers on the clutch surface, on the pressure plate surface. It's the bottom. I would imagine that doesn't exactly balance very well. Let's see. There we go. Let's move this thing around. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think these are safe to use? Think that's going to actually help you? You be the judge. But yeah, this is basically just a stock pressure plate. It's a Datsun clutch. And they just threw some clips and a spring on it. And then they called it a higher performing clutch, and then spend more money and you buy it. Anyways, let me know what you think about these things in the comments. Love, peace, and chicken grease.